Polly the Talking Parrot. Once upon a time, in a vibrant tropical forest, there lived a colorful and chatty parrot named Polly. What made Polly truly unique was her extraordinary ability to talk and mimic all sorts of sounds. Polly's home was a cozy little nest high up in a tall palm tree, and she loved to watch the world go by from her lofty perch. She was the friendliest parrot in the forest and had a greeting for everyone who passed by. She would say, "Hello," or "How are you?" in her cheerful, sing-song voice, bringing smiles to all who heard her. Polly had a deep desire to explore the world beyond the forest. She often listened to the stories told by the other animals about far-off places, where there were endless adventures to be had and fascinating things to see. She would imagine herself flying over vast oceans, climbing towering mountains, and meeting new friends from all corners of the world. One day, while Polly was out exploring the forest, she overheard some children playing near the edge of the woods. They were laughing, singing, and having a grand time. Polly couldn't resist joining in on the fun. She swooped down from her tree and perched on a branch nearby, hoping to be part of the merriment. The children were amazed when they saw Polly. They had never met a talking parrot before. Polly greeted them with her friendly "hello" and started mimicking the children's playful songs and laughter. The children were thrilled to have a new friend, and Polly was overjoyed to have found some young playmates. From that day on, Polly spent more time with her new friends, exploring the world outside the forest. She introduced them to her animal friends in the woods and became the forest's official ambassador. Polly learned new words and songs from the children, and she taught them all about the fascinating life in the forest. One sunny morning, the children came to visit Polly, but they seemed sad. They told Polly that their family was moving to a distant city, and they couldn't bring her with them. Polly was heartbroken, as she had grown so fond of her young friends. But the children had a surprise for Polly. They had recorded her voice and laughter on a little device, so they could listen to her anytime they wanted. Polly was delighted, and they promised to visit her whenever they returned to the forest. With her new way to stay connected to her friends, Polly continued her adventures in the forest, sharing her stories and laughter with everyone she met. She was the happiest parrot in the world, knowing that she had brought joy to the lives of the children and all her friends in the vibrant tropical forest. And so, Polly the talking parrot's days were filled with new friends, laughter, and countless adventures, as she shared her special gift with the world and continued to brighten the lives of those around her.